Okay, TK friends, so this is the math part. We will be working on math stories or word problems today. I have heard you all say 1 plus 1 equals 2. What you're saying is this: 1 plus 1 equals 2. This is an equation. It's a math sentence. So you've been telling me a math sentence all along. There's a number here that you're adding. This means to add. How many do you have altogether? You're adding to this one and you're coming up. This means is this one, a total. 2. When you have one of something, if you have one heart and you're adding another heart, it's equal to 2 hearts. Okay, 2 hearts, okay? All right. So there are some clues in our story that tell us that we have to use the plus sign, and that those are in all. Anytime we see the words in all, that means we're adding. We're going to put them in a big circle. We're not taking anything away. So we want the 2 hearts in our circle all together. Okay, we want them all. So in this case, in our story, we're reading about 2 guys named Tom and Ben, and they picked some apples. Let's see what we need to do. So you're going to need 2 crayons, okay? 1 color for Tom and 1 color for Ben. Any colors you want. So I decided, let's read what we need to talk about first. It says, Tom picked 2 apples. Ben picked 2 apples. Okay, that's easy. We're going to assign Tom's apples to be green and Ben's to be red. You can pick any color. And then it asks the question that we have to solve. How many apples did they pick in all? Oh, there's those words, in all. That means we're adding. Here is the equation. It says write the equation. They've already done it for us. We just need to fill in the numbers. And those numbers are up here. So what we need to do first is color these apples. So if I made Tom's apples green, color them green. So let me show you what I'm doing. These are Tom's apples. He picked 2. I colored 2 green ones. Now, here are Ben's apples. Excuse me. He picked 2 as well. So now we can clearly see that these belong to Tom and these belong to Ben. So you're going to cut them out. You don't need the other apples. You can recycle them. Okay? All right. 2 of Tom's and 2 of Ben's. Alright, so what we need to do is glue them in our 10 frame. Now you all know what 10 frames are. This is just a refresher. And if you forgot, don't worry, we will be using them quite often to work on our math stories. So I'm going to start with Tom. Tom picked 2 apples. Here we go. 1 green apple for Tom. 2 green apples for Tom. Okay, now I need to add Ben's apples. So 1 red apple for Ben, 2 red apples for Ben. All right. Now I can answer this question. How many apples did they pick in all? So if Tom picked 2 and Ben picked 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I have a total of 4. Here, if I put them in a big hug or in a big bunch or one big thing, I want them all together. I have 4 all together. All right. So now, it says write the equation. I'm going to use the numbers up here to equal how many we have in all, our total, our number 4. So let me use the same crayon so you can see what I'm doing. So Tom's apples, 2 plus 2 of Ben's apples equals 4. So let me make 4 a different color. 4, because I have the 4 here. This number is the number I come up with when I count them all together. in all. Okay? 2 of Tom's plus 2 of Ben's is or equals a total of 4. Yeah, that's our math sentence. The last thing we have to do is put our total in this sentence to make it complete. It says they had 4 apples in all. 4. All right? It helps to use different colors, my friends. So actually, pick any 2 colors you want. Assign one to Tom, assign one to Ben for their apples. Okay? You can write your number 4 in pencil if you'd like. Okay? All right, TK friends. During our class meeting, I'm going to show you a Moby video. Okay? And he and Annie will help us talk about addition problems. Okay? Oh, it's sunny now? Yep. Oh my gosh. You know what? I already wrote it on my calendar. Should I change it?
Yeah.
Okay. I will go ahead and change it in my calendar. All right, TK friends. So it's about 8 o'clock. So in about half an hour, if you can, join us for our First Friday. It's a Zoom meeting. We don't get to talk to the 8th graders, but let's listen to what they have to say for the month of May. Okay, TK friends? I really want to encourage you to do that. One last thing. Have a great weekend. Be kind to your brothers and sisters if you have them. Be kind to mommies and daddies and grandpas and whoever you're living with.
I am.
All right? Do you want to say bye to my friends?
Bye.
Say have a good weekend. No. Silly girl. I'm glad it's Friday, my friends. Okay. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.